In this video, we are going to learn about first aid kit. First aid is the provision of immediate care to a victim with an injury or illness, usually affected by a layperson and performed within a limited skill range. First aid is normally performed until the injury or illness is satisfactorily dealt with, such as in the case of small cuts, minor burns, and bilateral, or until the next level of care such as paramedic or doctor arrive. First aid is an emergency aid or treatment given to someone injured, suddenly ill, etc. before regular medical service arrive or can be reached. Thermometer, tweezer, painkillers, scissors, inhaler, cotton pads, safety pins, antiseptic cream, hot pack bag, ice pack, plastic bandage, iodine, non-elastic glove, adhesive tape, antiseptic wipes, cotton swab, ointment cream, sugar blood monitor, blood pressure monitor, gauze, disposable mask, injection,